lovely people, and welcome back to Cassie Love TV. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be doing something a little bit different. Okay, what I will be doing in today's video is show you guys how I make my aloe vera. Now, aloe vera have so many different benefits to it, but there is certain way that you have to make it, okay, and prepare it. Preparation is so important when you're making anything at all for aloe vera, whether it's for your facial, or whether it's for your hair or skin. You just want to make sure that you prepare it properly. So that's what today's video is going to be about. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that you want to do is wash your aloe vera thoroughly before doing anything else, because you will be touching all parts of the aloe vera when you start to cut it. The next important thing that you want to do is to ensure that you remove the latex yellow toxin from the aloe vera plant. Now that is very important. Now, I have a very sensitive skin, guys, so let me tell you, I know for a fact that I am allergic to aloe vera if I do not remove the yellow toxin, which is also known as poison. So just be very careful and be very mindful, okay? Preparation, again, is very important. So next, what I did was just went ahead and prepared the aloe vera by cutting off the sides of it. I'm also going to go ahead and cut off the skin and things like that, just to get it prepared for what I'm about to use it for. Okay guys, so this is what the water looks like after you soaked your aloe vera. Again, if you soak it overnight or you soak it for a couple hours, you will see that the water is a different color, and that's how you know them toxin is being removed. Okay guys, so now I'm using a knife to remove the aloe vera gel from the plant. Now, this is very important as well. You can use a knife. So there is different ways that you can remove this, okay? You have to do what's most comfortable for you. So you can either use a knife. As you can see, I'm showing you how to use the knife, but I am not comfortable using a knife, as you can see. So I went ahead and resort to the spoon afterwards. Also, aloe vera gel is very slippery, guys, so just be careful, okay? Once again, but I went ahead and used a spoon after that, and the spoon was so much more comfortable. Smooth transaction, no issues. Okay guys, so for aloe vera gel for locks, as I mentioned before, that aloe vera have some great benefits when it comes to hair overall, skin, but also our locks as well. Now, as a moisturizer, what you can do is mix aloe vera gel with water in a spray bottle and then spritz your locks with it, okay? It also promotes hair growth. Aloe contains enzymes that can help stimulate the scalp and encourage lock growth as well. So that's another great benefit. And then also, it's light hold for retwisting. I'm sure you guys probably see a lot of locticians use it for retwisting the locks. It works as a natural gel for retwisting without buildup. Okay guys, so I do use my aloe vera for different things. This particular aloe vera I am making right now is really for moisturizing my locks and also for pre-treatment before I shampoo my locks. So we'll be storing this this aloe vera into my freezer until I'm ready to use it. My daughter also have natural hair, so I also use aloe vera on her hair as well for detangling and also for a treatment. So you can use, again, aloe vera for many different reasons. Alright guys, so right now what I'm doing is adding coconut oil to my aloe vera before I preserve it. Guys, you can also add vitamin E oil. Vitamin C oil is also really good to add to aloe vera, and also you can add citric acid, and that will just help to preserve it, to keep it longer. I will not be adding citric acid to mine today because I'm not going to keep it that long, okay? Okay guys, so that is it for the video. So it's pretty, yeah, it's pretty easy. So try it out. If you haven't tried it out yet, go and try it out, okay? Again, it's really good to put on your locks, especially if you're trying to get your locks all healthy and strong. Yeah. I have been really trying to post short videos, so make sure that you guys are watching the short videos. I'm gonna make this video into a short as well because I'm really trying to get to over 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That is my goal, and I give myself to the end of the year because I can honestly say I'm not consistent as much as I should. I am actually getting ready to go to work right now, so my work schedule is so busy. I wish I could do this full time, but I have to wait until that time comes. I believe it will happen. Just not right now. So right now I have to get to my full-time job. But I'm gonna be doing more of these videos. I really hope you guys enjoy this one. I'm gonna be doing more of these videos. DIY videos are so great when you can do your own things, especially in a time like now where everything, you don't know what you're putting in your stomach, you don't know what you're putting in your hair, you don't know what you're putting in your body, you don't know what you're putting in your face. They tell you this stuff, hey, but you do not know. So when you make it yourself, you know. Make sense? So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.